This salad is so delicious and healthy that I make it over and over again at home. For this recipe, we will need a large cucumber, which with the help of a potato peel, I will remove the peel. Then I will cut it in half, and then with the help of a spoon, I will remove the seeds from the center. Finally, I will cut it into thin slices. This healthy salad we are making looks incredibly delicious, and it is very easy to make. I am sure you will like the result. Already cut, I will add it in a large bowl. Also for this recipe we are going to need a medium onion, which I will cut in half and then julienne, in this way as I am doing. Then I will cut a large lemon in half. Now I'm going to add the julienne cut onion to a small container. I will then add the juice of the lemon that I have cut. And I'll spice up with a pinch of salt. And I will mix a little to incorporate the lemon juice into the onion. Let the onions sit for 3 minutes. Next, I am going to cut half an avocado, or also known in some countries as avocado. This avocado I will cut it as follows. Now let's prepare the healthy dressing of this delicious salad. In a small container, I will add a tablespoon of olive oil. In addition, I will add a tablespoon of white vinegar. And I'll spice up with a pinch of salt. Stir well to integrate all the ingredients. And so we should be. In the container where I have the cucumber, I will add the cut avocado. I will also add the onion with the lemon juice I had reserved. A little finely chopped parsley. Also, I'm going to add a can of tuna, already strained, without the oil that the can brings. Finally, the healthy dressing we just prepared. And with the help of 2 forks, I will incorporate all the ingredients very well. Meanwhile, I would like to know, from what country or city you are looking at us, to send you a special greeting in the next recipe. The greeting in today's recipe is for Maria Nava from Peru, and Lucy Ortiz from Cuba. Thank you very much for always seeing and enjoying our recipes. And our healthy salad is ready. We have made a delicious super healthy salad with few ingredients. I hope you make this recipe at home, although I would like you to rate it from 0 to 10 to know if you like the result. Thank you for seeing this recipe until the end. I hope you liked the result. Tell me if it is the first time that you see one of my recipes. And if so, do not forget to subscribe on YouTube as Cheunoe and activate the bell so that you can always receive our recipes.